Do you ever feel nervous when silence gets too long? Like you're standing next to someone and you don't know what to say. Today, we're fixing that problem forever. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Small talk doesn't have to be scary. It's actually a little tool, a magic tool, that helps you connect with people anywhere.
That's right. On the bus, at the doctor's office, in line at the coffee shop, you can start a conversation anywhere.
And here's the best part. Small talk is not about being perfect. It's about being friendly. Simple words, short questions, and a smile. For example, if the weather is sunny, you can say, "Beautiful day, isn't it?"
And if it's raining, just switch it up. Wow, it's really wet out there. Easy, natural, and it opens the door for the other person to answer.
Exactly. You don't need big grammar. You just need phrases that sound warm. And don't forget, your voice, your smile, and your body language are part of the conversation too.
So if you feel shy, just remember, people like friendly energy. Even a small comment can make someone's day better.
And soon, you'll see how these little starters can turn silence into connection. Let's dive deeper. Let's practice the first place where small talk happens all the time: the weather. Why? Because everyone experiences it. It's safe, easy, and always changing.
Yes, and you don't need long sentences. Just try, "It's so hot today," or "It feels cold this morning." Short, simple, natural.
And if you want to add a friendly question, you can say, "Do you like this kind of weather?" Or, "Is it usually this hot here?" Easy, right?
And here's the trick. When you ask, you don't need to worry if the person gives a long answer or a short one. The goal is not a big conversation. It's just no awkward silence.
Exactly. Small talk is like opening a door. You don't have to walk all the way in. You just need to show a little interest.
So next time you're outside, look up, feel the sun or the rain, and practice saying one of these lines. Try it with me. "Beautiful day, isn't it?"
Great! See, you're already starting to sound natural. Now, let's look at another place where small talk feels easy and fun: waiting in line. Now, let's imagine you're waiting in line. Maybe at a coffee shop, maybe at the supermarket. People stand quietly, looking at their phones. But this is a perfect chance for small talk.
Yes. You can start with something very simple, like, "This line is moving slowly today," or "It's always busy here in the morning." These sentences are short, natural, and easy.
And if you want to connect more, you can add a light question. "Do you usually come here?" Or, "What's your favorite drink here?" People love to talk about coffee or food.
And here's a tip. If you don't want the talk to continue, that's okay. You can smile, nod, and just say, "Yeah, true." That's still small talk, and it works.
Exactly. Small talk doesn't need big answers. It's just a friendly way to connect for a few seconds.
So next time you're in line, look around, smile, and try one of these. It may feel small, but it makes you sound confident and natural.
And from here, let's move to another common small talk moment: when you meet someone new at work or school. Now let's move to one of the most useful situations: meeting new people at work or school. This moment can feel stressful, but small talk is your secret tool to break the silence.
Exactly. You don't need anything complicated. Start with easy, friendly questions. For example, "Is this your first day here?" Or, "How long have you been studying here?" Simple, short, but it opens the door to a longer conversation.
And notice the intonation. If you ask, "Is this your first day here?" With a warm smile, it feels inviting. Without the smile, it might sound too serious. So your tone matters.
Another good starter is about common things you share. At work, you can ask, "Do you live nearby?" Or "How do you usually come to work?" People love to talk about traffic, buses, or trains. It's an easy topic everywhere.
Yes, and at school, you might ask, "What classes are you taking?" Or, "Do you know the teacher?" These are friendly and safe questions.
And if you're nervous, practice with short answers first. Try saying, "Yes, I live close," or "I take the bus." Then, little by little, add more. "Yes, I live close, about 10 minutes away." This builds your confidence step by step.
So the trick is simple. Start with what's around you, the place, the moment, the shared experience. That always gives you something natural to say.
And speaking of natural, let's see how small talk works when you meet people in more casual places, like at a party or at the gym.
Now, let's imagine a different situation. You're not at work or school. You're at a party, the gym, or maybe even waiting in a cafe. What can you say to start talking without it feeling awkward?
Here's a simple one for parties. How do you know the host? This question works every time because everyone there has some connection. And if you don't know anyone, you can say, "Hi, I don't think we've met yet. I'm 𝗦𝗺." Short, friendly, easy.
That's perfect. And at the gym, you can try, "Do you usually come at this time?" or "Is this class always this full?" Gym goers love to talk about how busy it is or which exercises are hard.
Yes, and cafes are another great place. You can look at what the other person has and say, "That drink looks good. What is it?" Or, "Have you tried the muffins here?" Food and drinks are universal. People enjoy talking about them.
And remember, your body language helps. At a party, smile and keep eye contact. At the gym, a relaxed tone shows you're friendly. In a cafe, don't rush. A calm, curious voice works best.
Let's give our listeners a quick practice. Repeat after us. How do you know the host? Do you usually come at this time? That drink looks good. What is it? See? With just a few phrases, you can connect anywhere.
And once you start, the other person usually continues. They might answer and then ask you something back. That's how small talk grows naturally.
And sometimes it's not about the place. It's about the weather, the moment, or even the mood. That's where some of the easiest and most universal starters come in.
Okay, friends, it's practice time. We're going to act out real small talk situations so you can listen, repeat, and feel confident when you try them yourself.
Yes! Imagine you're at a party. Listen closely and shadow with us.
Hi, I don't think we've met yet. I'm Catherine.
Nice to meet you, Catherine. I'm 𝗦𝗺. So, how do you know the host?
Oh, we work together. And you?
I'm his neighbor. He's great at organizing parties.
Easy, right? You can try it now. Now, let's go to the gym. Picture this. You're waiting for a class to start.
Wow, is this class always this full?
Yes, it gets busy in the evenings. Do you usually come at this time?
Sometimes, but today I had more free time.
Notice how simple it is. Just ask, listen, and share a little about yourself.
Let's try a cafe now. Imagine someone next to you has a delicious drink.
That drink looks good. What is it?
It's a caramel latte. It's really good here.
Sounds tasty. Have you tried the muffins too?
Yes, too many times. They're my weakness.
And just like that, you're having a conversation.
Here's one more, the universal one, the weather.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, finally some sunshine after all that rain.
True. I almost forgot what the sun looks like.
Did you notice? Small talk doesn't need
big, complicated words. It just needs a simple question, a friendly smile, and a short answer.
So, practice with us again. How do you know the host? Do you usually come at this time? That drink looks good. What is it? Beautiful day, isn't it?
Here's one more, the universal one, the weather.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, finally some sunshine after all that rain.
True. I almost forgot what the sun looks like.
Did you notice? Small talk doesn't need big, complicated words. It just needs a simple question, a friendly smile, and a short answer.
So, practice with us again. How do you know the host? Do you usually come at this time? That drink looks good. What is it? Beautiful day, isn't it? All right, everyone, before we say goodbye, let's quickly go over the best small talk starters we learned today. These are your tools to break the silence and sound natural anywhere.
Yes, let's do a quick recap together. First, remember the introduction line, "Hi, I don't think we've met yet. It's simple, friendly, and always works.
Then we had the party question. How do you know the host? That one opens doors to easy conversation.
At the gym, you can say, "Is this class always this full?" It's casual and it shows interest.
In a cafe, try, that drink looks good. What is it? It's curious and friendly, and people love to talk about food and drinks.
And of course, the universal one. Beautiful day, isn't it? Classic, simple, and always useful.
Let's repeat them once more. Slowly, so you can shadow with us. I don't think we've met yet. I don't think we've met yet. How do you know the host? How do you know the host? Is this class always this full? Is this class always this full? That drink looks good. What is it? That drink looks good. What is it? Beautiful day, isn't it? Beautiful day, isn't it? Pause. 2 seconds.
See, with these 5 small talk starters, you'll never feel awkward again.
So keep practicing. Use them in real life and notice how people respond with a smile.
And the more you practice, the more natural it'll feel.
Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
And remember, the best way to master English is to practice a little every day.
This is Catherine.
This is Mateo.
And we'll see you in the next episode of English Talking Podcast. Bye for now.